The Indian smartphone industry has transformed into a global export powerhouse. With enhanced production capabilities and government initiatives like the Production Linked Incentive Program, India's mobile phone export market is set for rapid growth in 2024 to 2025. In fiscal year 2024, India's mobile phone exports surged by 42%, reaching $15.6 billion. Apple emerged as the largest exporter, significantly contributing to this growth. The United States led as the top destination, with shipments increasing by 158% year over year. The United States imported $5.6 billion worth of smartphones from India, followed by the United Arab Emirates at $2.6 billion. The Netherlands and the United Kingdom also featured prominently, importing $1.2 billion and $1.1 billion respectively. Several factors fuel India's mobile export expansion. Government support through the PLI scheme, rising global demand for affordable, high-quality smartphones, and the expansion of manufacturing facilities by companies like Apple and Samsung. These elements position India as a strong alternative to China. India's mobile phone export industry is on an upward trajectory, with a projected 15-20% growth by 2025. For businesses eyeing this market, staying updated with trade regulations and trends is crucial for success.